My name is Johnny. I may be small, but I am well articulated, and I'm great at spot welding. My name is Joey 2000, and I'm always working out. I can lift 40,000 pounds no problem. Hi, Mom. I am Optimus. I'm very new to this, so here it goes. I am sensitive at heart. I believe in love at first optical recognition. I am told I give a great massage. My friends say I am shy, but sometimes I can get wild. Hi, I'm J2000. I like to travel. I like sailing. I believe in open source relationships. I am Gary. I am a professional musician. Hey there, I am Ty. I like to get comfortable. I hope you do too. I am the robot you've been looking for.